How to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. So restricting basically means that if you want to limit your interactions with that person, but you don't want to completely block off, then restrict is a very good option that Messenger has given us. So what you want to do is tap on the three lines at the top left and go to the settings by tapping on the gear icon. Now just scroll down until you see your privacy and safety. Once you're inside here, just tap on restricted accounts under who can reach you. All of your restricted accounts will be listed right here. Choose the account that you want to unrestrict and tap on that profile and tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, you will have an option to unrestrict right here. So tap on unrestrict and then you will be able to interact with them normally. And that's how you unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video.